These gulab jamuns look simple, but you've never seen how they're made in a factory.
This rich dough is the base of every gulab jamun.
This hot sugar syrup is what gives gulab jamun its softness and sweetness. This hot sugar syrup is what gives gulab jamun its softness and sweetness. Look at how evenly they absorb the syrup. This is what makes them so soft. Thousands of gulab jamuns are packed every single hour like this.
Victor. Here at the Gulab Jamun factory, the process is streamlined for maximum efficiency. Thousands of
So much precision goes into making a dessert that looks this simple.
Yes, and that's how Gulab Jamun is made in a factory, courier-free, from dough to syrup to packaging.
If you enjoyed this factory tour, subscribe for more amazing food processes.